From A to Z, let's sing with B. Animals for every letter, come and see. F for armadillo, antelope, anteater, albatross. B for bear, beaver, buffalo, bats. C for cat, chimpanzee, cow, camel. D for dog, deer, dolphin, duck. E for elephant, eagle, eel, emu. F for fox, frog, flamingo, finch. G for giraffe, gorilla, goat, goose. H for hippo, hamster, horse, hawk. I for iguana, impala. E for ibis, J for jaguar, jellyfish, jackal, J. K for koala, kangaroo, kudu, kingfisher. L for lion, lemur, llama, lynx. M for monkey, moose, mole, macaw. N for newt, narwhal, nightingale. O for owl, octopus, ostrich, otter. P for panda, pig, penguin, and parrot. Q for quail, quokka, quetzal, queen, angelfish. R for rabbit, rhino, raccoon, rat. S for sheep, squirrel, swan, shark. T for tiger, turkey, turtle, tarsier. U for uriel, rookery, umbrella, bird, urchin. V for vulture, viper, vicuña, W for wolf, whale, bat, walrus. X for x-ray fish, Dilophosaurus. W for yak, yellowfin, tuna, yellow jacket, yappy. Z for zebra, zebu, zebrafish, zorilla. From A to Z, I saw